Right. Hello, mathematical literacy learners. Welcome to question 1 of June 2023, the Limpopo province. So I am getting questions from people asking, if I'm not in Limpopo, if I'm not in Northwest, if I'm not in the Eastern Cape, can I also revise? Honey, we are all the same. We are all going to write the same question paper in December. Don't worry about where the question paper is coming from. Just focus on the questions, and practicing. That's all that's important. Hazel operates a spaza shop and orders his stock in cartons from Macro. Given below is an extract from a Macro catalog. With all the prices include 15% VAT. The price of each carton is written below each item. Explain the meaning of the word selling price in the context of Hazel's shop. So that's easy. These prices are from Macro, and therefore, as Hazel's shops are not buying from Macro, Hazel herself is buying from Macro. So these are the selling prices at Macro. And then Hazel is going to then take this stuff, put it in the shelf in her spaza shop, and then a customer is going to come in and give Hazel money to buy 1 tin of beans. That money that the customer is paying will be the selling price from Hazel's shop. So the amount of money that paid by Hazel's customers for each item at her shop, right? And then we're going to write down the cost price for a 2-liter bottle of soda cold drink. Oh, now I wanna warn you guys. There's this thing we do at our homes, in our communities, where we use certain words for the wrong thing. I'm used to saying this is a drink, right? This is a drink. So this is juice. This is a concentrated juice, right? So, and this is the cold drink. But I'm used to saying this is a drink, right? It's very rare that I say a juice. So when this question, be very careful with it. Be very, very careful with it. And then it says here soda, cold drink, and it says here soft drinks. So very careful. The soda drink is this one, and this is a cold drink. This is a juice. I'm just not warning you for this because this might not be an issue for you, but I'm warning you for like next time. For example, the metal that we use to cover our roofs is called corrugated iron, or roof sheeting, or roof covering, and in my community we call it zinc. So it's not really called zinc. The name of the item is not zinc, but that's just what we call it. So write down the cost price for a 2-liter bottle of soda cold drink. So there's a cost price here, but this cost price is for 6. I don't know if you can tell, but from my printing, I can tell it's 6, but I can't tell through the camera that it's 6. I've just noticed that. So, okay, this is 6. So it doesn't matter if you said it's 5 or 4 because you can't tell properly, as long as you know how to get to the answer. So what do? We're going to cut 55 into 6 pieces. How do we do that? We divide. When we're cutting something into a number of pieces, so you're going to say 5, and when we're going to separate it into 6 pieces. How do we do that? We're going to divide by 6. And that's what I did there. Okay, so identify items which cost the same amount per carton. Okay, like this cotton thing, cotton. All right, so we're just going to look for the price that's actually a mode. That's what they're saying, basically. So what with the price that's the same for a number of prices, and that would be, I can see toilet cleaner down there is 85, comparing with that one, dishwashing liquid, which is 85. So that's that. And there's beans, 85. That one's 95, so that doesn't count. 55 doesn't count. Okay, so 85 rand is the amount that is repeated there, but then the question doesn't say what is the amount that is repeated. Identify the item So the main question says, write the name. Identify the item means write the name of the items that cost the same. And here we have dishwasher. Actually, dishwashing liquid. There it is. And we have pilchards and we have toilet cleaner. Okay, so determine the total number of items on the carton. You see, now this is where I have a problem, because now it says here identify the items which cost the same amount per carton. Okay, per this carton. Very good. These ones. And then now the items on the carton, there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm just not 100% sure I'm understanding this question, but I think there'll be 13 items here. There's nothing that says this catalog is a catalog for a carton, right? So yeah. And then the last one says calculate the total cost price of the items on the cartons above. Calculate the total price on the cartons above. So they say in the items on the carton. If they say like, that's why I have a problem with this question. Okay, so calculate the total price for the items on the cartons above. Okay, that one's clear. If these are cartons, then we have to calculate the total price, and then we're just going to start from the bottom there. I calculate like this because they are easier for me, but you can go this way, you can go randomly, it's up to you. Okay, so first price there, cost. So we're calculating the total cost, which is equal to, if you look there, that's 90, and the next one is 85 plus 160, and then the next one will be 85, and then we have another 85, we have 95, we have 100, we have 70, we have 60, we have 89, which is the milk, and then we have water, which is 90, and we have juice, which is 9.95, and we have soda, which is 55 rand. So let's get the total. That would be 90 plus 85 plus 160 plus 85 plus 85 plus 95 plus 100 plus 70 plus 60 plus 89 plus 90 plus 995 plus 55. Oh guys, if I calculated wrong, you are just gonna have to forgive me. I am not repeating it, and which is not, like, never calculate this once, by the way. I'm not repeating that. So boring. Okay, done. Hopefully we get 11 marks.